back to my channel. My name is Sierra and I am going to be making these little ornaments. I'm making them and I thought I would turn on the camera. First you're going to remove this little thing and you're going to keep it. Put it to the side. And I got these last year when they were on sale at Hobby Lobby. They usually go on sale every year. And I have some Minwax polyacrylic. This is the clear satin. I'm not sure if the kind actually matters. And I have a pipette here. And I'm going to fill this pipette up. And I'm going to drop like maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 drops of this in there. You don't need a whole lot. You just want to coat the inside. And to me, this was the best way to do it with the pipette. You could also use a little funnel. It should be good. Yeah, one more. Why not? It's all going to go back in the can anyway. Okay. Set that there. And now you're going to take your, I'm so used to going up there. You're going to take your little polyacrylic stuff and you're just going to coat the inside of the ornament, because I have a new grandchild, and I have ornaments I make for all the kids, everybody in our family, me, my husband, our kids, their wives, husbands, and even our pets. And so my grandson was born just before Thanksgiving, so I want to make him an ornament. I'm actually making 3 of them. One for my tree, one for his mommy and daddy's tree, my son and his wife, and one for my daughter-in-law, her parents, for their tree, their first-time grandparents. Little Gabriel is my 4th grandchild, my 1st grandson. And me and my husband are over the moon for him. So now all I'm doing is, I'm just talking away, I'm just actually just coating the inside of this ornament, and I want the tops coated too. So I'm going to bring the polyacrylic down to this corner, and then I'm going to tilt. I already did it on that side. And you're going to let it drain for just a few minutes. I have one draining off to the side. And you're going to let it drain for, depending on your room, the temperature, the climate of your room. I let mine drain for about 10 minutes. You really don't want to do more than that. If you can hear to the side, it sounds like I have a fan on. It's my air purifier. I've been keeping that going. So I'm just going to tap off the top. And now I'm going to bring the one that I just set it like, move this stuff out of the way. Try not to get this stuff. And I set it on top of a cup. And I just balance it. And I let it continue draining off into the cup. And I will periodically take the polyacrylic that gathers in the corners, and I will let that drain out. There's still a little bit in the corners on this one too. So let that sit there and drain in the cup. I'm just gonna get that, and I have a Q-tip here, and I'm going to wipe the inside of that and get a piece of paper, set that up like that, and find my funnel. I am going to use a funnel for the glitter, and I'm going to, this one is the Arteza holographic blue, and I'm going to fill up your ornament like so, and then start coating it. And I put the paper down just to catch any of the glitter. I don't think I have enough glitter in there. I probably don't. No. Let me put some more in there. Let's see what we got now. And I want to again get that up in the corners. So and there is the ornament. It is that easy. Now I'm going to put this glitter back in, and I will be back and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, I got that like that, and I'm going to I'm going to use alcohol wipe just to make it go faster. And you want to clean the glass. Like so. I'm going to clean this one too. I did this one earlier. Okay, let that dry. I'm going to I have his name on some vinyl. And we're going to continue to let this dry before we put the little thing back in. Because if I try to put it in now, it's just going to scrape all that glitter off there. So I'll probably let it dry overnight. And then I will put this back on. And then I made these boxes. I made them with my Cricut. And I buy these ornaments and I make these boxes and I store them clear like that. So when I need an ornament, I got the ornament and the box already ready to go. I think I got the file for that from a long time ago from Jennifer Maker. I'm pretty sure. So I'm just going to get the vinyl off that. And I'm going to try to line it up the best I can. It's probably crooked. I don't stress over that stuff. And we're going to get that off of there. Like so. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to let this one dry. We'll put the name on this one as well. Might as well. And I already burnished all this on this. I thought I did anyway. Maybe I didn't. Let me see. Okay. Ooh. Let that continue to dry, and then I'll have pictures of these finished at the end of the video. So I will, let's put this here so you can see that. So I will see you next time. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. You have a very Merry Christmas and have a blessed day. Bye.